Alright, so that's it. Overall, $450 for this build. I couldn't be happier. Game's amazing at 1080p, sometimes getting up to the high FPS range, maybe a high refresh rate monitor at 1080p, but this is a wonderful build for only $450, and you're able to avoid those once in the DDR4 prices used to be greater than they are, but this build will easily be able to avoid that. Again, great $450 PC build. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is definitely tech.